Hi, I am Vimal Aswath. I am going to teach for 10th standard. 5 years hence, 5 years hence means 5 years after, father's age will be 3 times. Father's age will be 3 times the age of his son. 3 times the age of his son. So here two condition, 5 years after and next one is 5 years ago. Father was 7 times as old as his son. So second option is ago. Find their present ages. Find their present ages. So present age of father. Present age of father. Present age of father equal to, we will take it as x. Equal to x. And that the present age of son, it is taken as y. X and y, we take it as. Now we have to find x and y. For the two condition is given. The first condition is 5 years after. 5 years after, then 5 years after father's age. Father's 5 years after. Okay, 5 years after father's age. Father's age. What is that? X plus 5. In the same way, son's age. Also y plus 5. Now what is the condition is given? 5 years hence, father's age will be 3 times. So what is father's age? X plus 5. Father's age will be 3 times the age of his son. What is y plus 5? Son's age is y plus 5. So from this what you get? X plus 5. Here it is equal to 3y plus 15, which implies what is the answer? X minus 3y. X minus 3y. Here minus 15. So next side what you get is minus 10. X minus 3y minus 10 equal to 0. This is the first equation from the first condition. Using the first condition. Next we are going to use the second condition. So second condition, 5 years ago. 5 years ago. Then what is the father's age? 5 years ago. What is the father's age? Father's age is x minus 5. And son's age is y minus 5. Now come to the condition. What is the condition? It is given as 5 years ago, father was 7 times as old as his son. Father's age is x minus 5. Then what is father was 7 times. So 7 times y minus 5. So here what is 7y minus 35. 7y minus 35. So now next condition is x minus 7y. Here plus 30 equal to 0. This is the second equation using the second condition. Now we have to solve this linear equation. So here first condition, that is x minus 3y minus 10 equal to 0. So subtracting, what do you get? So this one get cancelled. So here minus 7y plus 3y. So minus 4y. Minus 4y equal to minus 40. So y equal to 40 by 4, that is equal to 10. Y equal to 10. Now substitute y in any equation. What you get is, here I do x minus 70 plus 30 equal to 0. What is the answer? So x equal to 70. So the father's age is 40. Father's age is 40. Son's age is 10. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.